Got him. Yep. I'm on him now, man. Fuck. Came off. Lost him. How many's that I've lost? 3 or 4? God dang it. Got him. Nope. I don't think you're 12 inches, are you? Ouch. Oh, I caught him right off the stump. Got him. He spit up something, didn't he? I don't think this one will even make 12. Really? About 8. Well, he'll make 12. Really? Barely make 12. Got him. That might be a better fish. Nice net job. Damn, there might be a whole school of them underneath me. Oh well, I just missed one. Or I just didn't have my camera turned on for that one. Got him. Pecker bass. Got him. rock pile there. Oh, that's a better fish. That's a better fish. Stay down, stay down. That's a better fish. God, that was way out there. Not much better. All right, 14. Oh, that's a good one. God, I lost him. God dang it. That was a good fish. God dang it. My big fish of the day, and I lost him. Shoot. Got him. That's two out of that spot. Let's back up. Ooh, that's a good one. This is a good one. This is a good one. Don't jump, don't jump. Dang it. Don't lose him, Betty. No, don't jump. God dang, that's the same size as that other one. Dang it. That would have really helped. Two casts in a row. Well, that's a wrap for the old Mother Lode Kayak Bass Tournament number 2. I got a small limit. I don't know how many inches I have. I'll have to go through my photos and add them all up. So we'll see you later.